Locust bean gum, also referred to as carob bean gum, comes from the carob tree. The botanical name is Ceratonia silisqua of the family Leguminous. The tree is a member of the pea family and is native to the eastern Mediterranean region. The gum is produced from the ground endosperm of the seeds contained in the pod-shaped fruit of the tree. Like guar gum and jellon gum, locust bean gum is added to various food products, including yogurt, cream cheese, and ice cream. It is similar in composition to guar gum. This galactomannan polysaccharide is used in applications where clarity is not essential. The main difference between guar gum and locust bean gum is the need for locust bean gum to be dispersed in hot water and allowed to cool to achieve its whole viscosity. While locust bean gum doesn't contain many nutrients, it does hold a significant amount of health-promoting dietary fiber. Just a few grams of locust gum contains about 10% of its. As a result of this added fiber, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that locust bean gum may have potential cholesterol-lowering effects on its consumers. Locust bean gum creates a stable viscosity over a wide range of pH levels with resistance to shear thinning. When combined with carrageenan and agar, locust bean gum creates the synergistic effect of incorporating elasticity into these rigid gels. From meats to cheeses, bakery products, and ice cream, locust bean gum adds a smooth texture, excellent water control, stability, and binding without masking taste or flavor. Locust bean gum can benefit ice cream, frozen desserts, sauces, cream cheese, dessert gels, meat products, cheeses, pie filling, baked goods, soup bases, batters. Try Cape Crystal Locust Bean Gum in your next recipe. You will be glad you did.